All right, let's solve this problem. A rectangular school field is 80-meter long and 50-meter wide. Find the perimeter of the field. That's A. B. If a pupil runs around the field 3 times, how far does he run? So let's look at them. Let's solve this problem together. We are to find the perimeter of the field if the length of the field is 80-meter and the breadth is 50-meter. So remember, perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus what? Breadth. 2 into length. What's the length? According to this, is 80-meter and the breadth is 50-meter. Is equals to 2 into 80 plus 50 will give you 130. So 2 times 130 will give you what? 260. That's the perimeter of the field. So the perimeter is 260 meter. That's question. That's for A. For B, we have to find. They say if a pupil runs around the field 3 times, how far does he run? So if a pupil is running around that field, that perimeter is 260 meter. How long will it take for that pupil to run around the field 3 times? So you simply, the B part of the question is you simply multiply 3 by what? 260. 3 times 260, and that will give you what? 3 to what? 3 times 0 will give you 0. 3 times 6 will give you 18. Write 8 and carry 1. And 3 times 2 will give you what? 6 plus 1, 7. So it will take, if a pupil is running around the field for 3 times, it will cover, that child will cover 780 meter. So this is your final answer. So we're going to see in our next video. Bye for now.